Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. My name's Alex. This is my first video on the channel. I'm going to be using this channel to share with you my journey through Forex, which is at the moment is purely with FTMO, and then hopefully in the future get into other investing streams. In this video, my first video, I'm going to be going over how I managed to pass the FTMO Trader Challenge. I passed this about 3 months ago, the end of November, 2 months ago. So as you can see, I didn't really have any drawdown, a little bit after about 5 trades, but after that we were straight up to the profit target. The strategy I used for this challenge doesn't necessarily allow me to make a huge percentage per month when I'm only risking 1%, so at the end, I did end up having to over leverage in order to get that last bit of profit. As you can see, didn't come anywhere near the max daily loss. So yeah, some very nice entries throughout the challenge. So didn't come near any of them. Minimal drawdown, profit target, and 12 days of trading. A few of them were micro lots, just to get the days up, as you can see. In this video, I'm going to go through probably 2 trades, my 2 biggest ones, which I made 3% and 7% thereabouts on both of them. And yes, as you can see, risk to reward was over 3, win rate 56%, so very profitable. I've been using this strategy for about 3-4 months. At this point, I had been. Most of my profits, as you can see, came from Euro Aussie, which I do tend to find is a very profitable pair for me with this strategy. So yeah, one was on the buy, one was on the sell for those, so you can see evenly spread. So I will jump into the charts and we'll go through the first trade, which was this one, which was on the 24th of November. If we get the Euro Aussie chart on the 24th of November. Oh, it's already there for us. Once it loads up, I reckon it's up here. Here we are. Right, this is the trade. So as you can see, I do execute on the 15-minute chart, sometimes the 5-minute chart, which I would go back and show you, but I'm actually on the free TradingView platform at the moment, so I can't replay that far. I mean, the 5-minute chart doesn't go back that far, so I can't actually show you the 5-minute chart, but the 15-minute chart shows it clear enough. As you can see, price is moving in a downtrend, making lower highs, lower lows. Clear to see. We can see that my 50 EMA is trading below my 200 EMA, showing that price is also moving downwards. You can see that price came down to this level, made a lower low before pushing up and breaking through, and then pushing back up to this level to use it as a level of resistance. Price used this level of support, broke through, and then pushed back up as resistance. And then we got in just after that for the sell. If I draw my fib, we can draw that from the top of this push down to the bottom. You can see price bounced clean off the 618 level, which obviously for a lot of traders, myself included, is referred to as the golden zone, and price does like to use that level as a level of support and resistance. So yeah, we can see price used this level of support and resistance. It used the 618 fib level, and it also bounced cleanly off my 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart, as you can see right there. And then also, as a fourth confluence, we can see that price made a lower high from this high to this high on the candlestick chart. But if we move down to the RSI here, we can see that price actually formed a higher high going from here up to here. So a nice bit of bearish divergence. to signal the sell, and then using the price action, we're able to see that price started to reject this level with one wick, tried to push up another wick, and then a beautiful bearish engulfing candle, and then that was where we entered the position. And yeah, it's about a 3-to-1, just over 3-to-1. No drawdown, straight to the profit. And yeah, that was the first trade. And then the second trade of the challenge, or the last trade, sorry, was on the 4th of December. So we'll find that one. Alright, so for this next trade, we can see that price moving in an uptrend, clearly higher highs, higher lows. We can see that if we draw our fib, so this is where we took the trade just around here, so we can see if we take our fib from the bottom of this push, which is clear on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, up to here, price just made this beautiful push up and retracement straight back into our golden zone, bounced off the 618. We can also see price on the lower time frame actually made a high over here and then broke through and used it as a level of support. So there's two confluences, and then it's also bounced cleanly off of the EMAs, straight off the 200, a third level of support, and then we entered the trade somewhere around here with our stops below the level. This was only about a 2-to-1 where we took the profit and hit that profit target for the challenge, was about there. Beautiful, beautiful trade. A little bit of drawdown, but we hit the profit target in the end. And that was the end of the challenge. Challenge complete. So yeah, they're the two key trades from this challenge. Quite a simple strategy that I was using. I will go through my verification in the next video, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you've got any questions about the strategy, feel free to comment, give the video a like. I'm obviously only a new channel, so if you want to see more content, then subscribe, and I will put out my verification video soon. I now actually have the funded account, so we'll be keeping you guys up to date with how that's going. Thank you for watching my FTMO challenge.